Hi there everyone and welcome to Battle 2019, a special show that we have as the voting for the phase 6 of the Lok Sabha elections is underway. A total of 59 constituencies across 7 states are voting today, and that will seal the fate of 979 candidates across all political parties. 14 key constituencies in Uttar Pradesh, 10 in Haryana, 8 each in West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar, 7 in Delhi NCT and 4 in Gujarat have gone into polls today. This is said to be BJP's toughest battle against the Mahagathbandhan as it takes on the SP and BSP alliance. Meanwhile, it's going to be a three-way fight between the BJP, the Congress and AAP in Delhi. Remember, out of the 59 seats, the BJP will be defending 43.
चुनाव बेसिकली तीन चार मुद्दों पे लड़ा गया है और ये जनता के मुद्दे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी के मुद्दे नहीं हैं। सबसे जरूरी मुद्दा बेरोजगारी, दूसरा मुद्दा किसानों की हालत, तीसरा मुद्दा जो नरेंद्र मोदी ने नोटबंदी गब्बर सिंह टैक्स से हिंदुस्तान की शक्ति का, अर्थव्यवस्था, भैया शांत हो जाएं, अर्थव्यवस्था का नुकसान किया उस पर, और चौथा भ्रष्टाचार, राफेल, अनिल अंबानी, ये मुद्दे थे। बहुत अच्छी लड़ाई हुई। नरेंद्र मोदी ने नफरत का प्रयोग किया, हमने प्यार का प्रयोग किया और मुझे लगता है कि प्यार जीतने वाला है। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Well, I would appeal to everybody to come out and vote. It's their right to vote, and it's their right to choose whatever government they would like to. If the EVMs are not working, I think they should be told to the government so that the EVMs are corrected. And if it takes a long time, then the hours of voting should be increased.
Is that what you're going to maybe officially ask if these kind of reports continue?
I'll ask through you. I haven't got the time. I'm going off. But this is what I would suggest.
Isn't sealing and businesses, loss of businesses a national issue? Isn't the government employees, the commission, the injustice meted out to them, isn't it a national issue? So all these are national issues. Isn't unemployment a national issue? So all these are national issues. So when you talk about national issues, by national issues we mean unemployment, we mean loss of businesses, we mean for the government employees 7th pay commission, which has and now people have something to compare with. When we were in power in Delhi and in the centre, we were successfully able to tide over the crisis of sealing in Delhi. We were able to give a good 6th pay commission report to the people, to the government employees of Delhi, and never such high rate of unemployment has been there in the past. So these are national issues and these are the real issues.
ईस्ट दिल्ली में भी और पूरी दिल्ली में मेरा सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा तो पूर्ण राज्य है और मैं उसी के लिए वोट डाल के आया हूं, दिल्ली को पूर्ण राज्य बनाने के लिए। आज दिल्ली की जनता, जिस तरह की स्मीयरिंग कैंपेनिंग की गई, जिस तरह के काम रोकने की पॉलिटिक्स की गई, उसका जवाब आज दिल्ली की जनता देगी।